Welcome to a SIM code. How a VPN secures your web traffic. Understanding VPN encryption and security. Introduction. A VPN, virtual private network, encrypts your internet traffic, ensuring privacy and security. This presentation explains how a VPN secures web traffic step by step. Step 1. You request a website. When you enter a website URL in your browser, your device prepares the request, which is encrypted using SSL for security. Step 2. VPN encrypts the request. The VPN on your device encrypts your web request, making it unreadable to external parties, and sends it to your Internet Service Provider, ISP. Step 3. ISP forwards data. Your ISP receives the encrypted request and forwards it to the VPN server without knowing the actual contents of the request. Step 4. VPN server processes the request. The VPN decrypts your request while keeping SSL encryption intact, ensuring the website data remains secure. Step 5. VPN sends the request to website. The VPN sends the SSL encrypted request to the target website, making it appear as if the request originates from the VPN server. Step 6. Website response. The website processes the request and prepares an encrypted response using SSL security. Step 7. VPN re-encrypts response. The VPN encrypts the website's response with VPN encryption and sends it to the ISP. Step 8. ISP forwards encrypted response. The ISP forwards the encrypted response to your device without being able to see the content. Step 9. VPN decrypts and sends to browser. The VPN on your device decrypts the response but retains SSL encryption for secure transmission. Step 10. Browser displays content. Finally, your browser removes the SSL encryption and securely displays the website content. How a VPN secures your web traffic diagram. Conclusion. VPNs play a crucial role in securing web traffic by encrypting data, preventing unauthorized access, and ensuring privacy for users worldwide. Key takeaways. VPN encrypts your internet requests and responses. Your ISP and hackers cannot see your online activity. VPNs enhance security on public networks. Using a VPN is an essential step in maintaining online privacy and protecting sensitive data.